jiggle, let me taste it a little. Hey, hey, use official. Swing it back and forth, I'm amazed when you twitter. Say,
Hey, do you thrill us? Body shape is the illest. Mommy, make sure that they don't forget it. Your hips don't lie, move your waist like Shakira. Make me say woo like Raekwon and RZA. Hey, baby doll, you can play with my zipper. Waist with no flaws, with your face full of glitter. Makeup is gone, but your fragrance is killer. Breaking me off, got me straight up and stiffing. International island vibe. Touch right here, we can grind on mine. We lacing in Trini for Jamaicans and Trinis, Bajans and Tillies. Shake till you dizzy.
Hurricane, why? Hold that behind. Girl, jive, because you're there part time. Beyonce walk with it, earthquake shake your body in the whole world. Just know, say you got it in. Hurricane, why? Hold that behind. Girl, jive, because you're there part time. Beyonce walk with it, earthquake shake your body in the whole world. Just know, say you got it in.
Show me what you got, homie wanna rock ya. Chicks probably getting honey from the vodka. Know me for the hot girls, phonies wanna knock, but they know what time it is when we show these girls to watch us. On the side like they only come to watch us. Chose the other option, no need for the talk, cause I juggle thoughts of honeys, let's just blossom. I wanna feel grinding close enough to cop some. I can't resist it, no, wait a minute, whoa. Ladies wiggle if it jiggle, shake it, women go. Crazy with your hips, tip will make them hit the flow. Braces limited, really can't be giving those. Come a little closer, come a little closer, girl. I wanna get up on you, touch your pretty toes, you sure. You like to move when the single is blazing, cause I think this is hitting doesn't mean that it ain't.
What you mean? Hurricane, why? Hold that behind. Girl, jive, because you're there part time. Beyonce walk with it, earthquake shake your body in the whole world. Just know, say you got it in. Hurricane, why? Hold that behind. Girl, jive, because you're there part time. Beyonce walk with it, earthquake shake your body in the whole world. Just know, say you got it in.
Ooh, you and your friend groove smoothly to this. Loosen your hips till you bust a few ligaments. I'm amused at the view when you swoop it and dip. The cuteness induces the mood to intense. Your body's tempting, can I fondle with it? Cause your thighs be shifting when you pondy river. Think on and grip me, bring on positions and call me lyrics in the softest whisper. In fact, when you twist that, can you shift back and move your thick ass to the music? Flashing your boobies, tats on your smooth skin. Mad and your actions attract and seduce me. Don't stop, wobble your hips till they get stiff and they won't pop. Follow my drip, call it a hit when the song drops. I'ma make it do what it do, so get closer. All you gotta do is groove and just move.
Hurricane, why?